stop by and take a look at the 2019 Expedition. Powerful, controlled, resourceful, Expedition, and is priced below $75,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, blind spot monitor, power retractable running boards, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, stability control. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
Why buy from Palm Bay Ford? We treat you like family and offer the ultimate service after the sale that you just have to experience for yourself. It's car buying made simple with savings up to $9,000. Or shop online and get our best e-price. Invoice minus all rebates and incentives. Plus, the best used car warranty. If it breaks, we fix it. Period. Come to Palm Bay Ford and experience the difference for yourself at Palm Bay Ford.